Hello, and today we are going to show you a science experiment on how to make fluffy slime. And we are coming to you from Miss Founds' house. We have two helpers today with Miss Founds. We have Blair and Millie. So, first of all, how we start off with how to make fluffy slime, we need some ingredients. So what's the first ingredient we need, Blair?
School glue.
Some Elmer's glue. Then we also need
Shaving cream.
And we need
Activator.
our contact solution. Baking soda. And
Paint.
acrylic paint.
Acrylic paint.
Okay, so I'm going to turn this over to Blair. But before we start, what is your hypothesis, Millie? What do you think is going to happen when we mix all these things together?
It's gonna be like snow.
Snow? You think it's going to be like snow?
Yeah, it's really fluffy.
Really fluffy? What is your hypothesis, Blair? What do you think
It's gonna be really fluffy like a cloud.
Really fluffy like a cloud. Okay, so Blair's going to walk us through how to make fluffy slime.
So first, like we had showed Elmer's glue, we need 1 cup of Elmer's glue or whatever school glue you have.
Does it have to be white or can it be clear?
It has a different texture if it's not white, but I mean you could do clear if you want to. And then you need 3 cups of shaving foam. And it doesn't have to be a specific brand, just shaving foam works. And this is
So 1 cup of glue and 3 cups of shaving cream.
And this is what makes the slime super fluffy.
Can I put the last one? Can I put the last cup? Mama, can I put the last cup?
Just spoon it in.
Or just dump it in and Blair will help you. Good job.
Yeah, and then you just get as much as you can, but it sticks to the bowl a lot. And then you're just gonna stir that all up. And see, now it looks really fluffy. And then after you stir it all up, here, can you stir that for me? Mm-hmm. You get about a tablespoon of acrylic paint, or just a spoonful. And you dump that in there. And you can make yours darker or lighter. You can have...
I want to mix.
Okay. As much as you want. And ours looks really light.
We need
Blue.
some
You
more.
can barely see it on camera. And this part's just up to you of how much paint you want to use.
You're doing a good job stirring.
While she's stirring, I'll get the baking soda ready. You only need about a pinch
Mama,
of baking soda.
It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to be technical, it's about 1/8 of a tablespoon. And then I'll just put that in.
And
And
mix
shake
it?
Mix it up.
Still is just looking like glue and shaving cream.
Shaving cream, yes.
And this is what our slime looks like.
So far.
Ooh.
And then you're going to get a spoonful of contact solution. Just pour it in there and show them how, I'll do it in the next spoonful. It'll start creating holes in your slime, and then you'll mix it and it'll start
Ooh, it's
stiffening.
becoming slime now.
You'll need about 4 to 8 spoonfuls of contact solution. Just depends on your slime or how
Do you
sticky.
add all of the contact solution at one time, or do you
No,
do it like you?
You gradually do it. So you add some, stir it, and then you
it's
add.
becoming
Ooh, it's
slimy.
becoming slimy.
Can I stir?
Whoa.
And once it gets, see on the sides, you have to stir all on the sides because it's still a gluey texture.
Whoa, look at it.
And Blair decided to you have to mix it because it looks. Mommy, I need help. Okay, Mommy.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mom
Just some
will get
shaving
it.
cream.
And then we just mix it and mix it and mix it, and then until it becomes slime. And it's still a little bit liquidy, so we still have to mix it. Make sure.
And once it gets harder and harder to mix around, that means it starts becoming slime.
Yeah, like right now, but it's not
Whoa.
yet.
So it's still a little sticky. So we're going to add maybe another spoon of contact solution, and then she's going to stir, and then we're going to add another thing of contact solution, and then I'm going to knead it with my hands. Can I here? Another spoon.
And this is how our slime looks like so far. And it looks really like a cloud of slime.
Whoa.
Yes. This
Mama,
probably
that
has to be
can-
my favorite type of slime.
It's okay. We'll clean it all in just a minute.
Fluffy.
Yeah, it's like super fluffy.
So now I'm going to start.
We're gonna knead it with our hands.
Yes, I'm just going to take little by little,
Me too.
and you're just going to knead it with your hands. And the 1 cup of school glue to 3 cups of shaving cream makes a really big batch of slime. So you can share it with all your siblings, your parents, but it's really sticky. So that's why you have to knead it.
Mine is really sticky.
Mine's super sticky.
And
You're welcome, parents. Your kids will have so much fun making this fluffy slime. Blair is a pro at it, and Millie, but I, not so much. And that is how, so you just continue to knead it and knead it.
Knead it.
until the whole bowl is to your right consistency. And if mine's still a little sticky, so I'm just going to squirt a little tad of contact solution until it's not sticking to my hands anymore. You're just
It's
gonna,
a lot sticking to my hand.
Oh my. Well, and that's how you
Make fluffy
slime. See y'all next time.
Ugh. It's so fluffy but cool.
I can't stop it.
Stop it.